Hey guys, what's up? I'm Seth.
And I'm Megan.
This is Navigating Minimalism. Today, we've driven about an hour from Bradenton to Busch Gardens here in Tampa. Back home, we have Busch Gardens in Williamsburg, and we always went to Christmas Town. Now, it was like 30 degrees usually when we went to Christmas Town. It's like 75, 80 today. It's sunny. It's super nice. Let's go in and check it out. All right, so we made it in. You have to wear masks. You have to get your temperature checked. You have to make sure you get a reservation. Without a reservation, you can't come here because they're only allowing a certain number of people. So make sure, get that reservation, get your tickets, make sure you don't have a temperature, and then come have fun. Alright, so we've walked around a little bit of the park. I think there's only one ride open right now. Let's get on it. Oh my God. We just rode the Tigris. As you can tell, my hair is just crazy. The thing is so fast. It jerks you around. You're upside down, you're flipping. That was wild. I can tell you, I would definitely ride that again. I would not ride that big thing there that takes you up and then drops you down. Absolutely not. So, the plan is walk around, see what we want to see during the day, and then we're gonna film the lights tonight. You can see all the lights out. A lot of stuff doesn't open till like 3 or 4, so if you're coming to Christmas Town, just understand that don't come at like 12 like we did when they opened. So, see what we can find. So, you know, coming to Florida, I've never seen a wild alligator. And today I still don't get to, because this is a slender-snouted crocodile.
Alright, so we've done the rides, we've seen some really cool animals. The train is an absolute must. You have to get on the train. It's like maybe a 35-40 minute wait for us today. It's going to take us around. Hopefully we'll see some animals, and it's getting dark, which means it's time for lights.
Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We walked like 18,000 steps in the park today. We were there from like 12:30 to 8 o'clock tonight. We saw tons of cool things. If you liked the video, make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel, help us out. Comment down below what your favorite part of the park was, or if you've been there, let us know what your favorite part to go see is. Cheers.